So I wanted to try something really quick that I had seen on TikTok. It's been a while, but I seen it on TikTok a while back of girls using these items to soak off their nails. But I have on glue on nails and I wanted to test it out with that. So as you guys can see, I have a few broke ones. These popped, I started actually popping them off. So I got 3 of them off easy, but these 2 and these I'm having trouble getting off. So I said, instead of ruining my nail by just like ripping them off, because you know that's bad anyway, I'm gonna try this little concoction that I had been seeing. So I have the Dawn Power Wash dish soap. I figure it'll be just as good as any regular dish soap. I have my olive oil. I have a gel remover tool just to lift them up if I need to, and a cuticle stick. And I'm gonna put some hot water inside of this little container, which I just cleaned out, and put my fingers in it like so. So I'm gonna go fill this up with some hot water. Okay, y'all, so I have close to hot water in here. I didn't want to make it too hot to where I could not, you know, put my fingers in there. So first I'm gonna put a little bit of the olive oil. I don't know how much we need, but I'm just gonna put a little bit here. Enough to kind of coat the water, you know. And then I'm gonna put some of the soap in. Make sure it's open. This stuff, you guys, is awesome. I found this on TikTok too. Spray a little bit in here. All right, I'm gonna stir it up with this orange stick. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna start with this hand since I only have 2 left on here. See how that works. I wonder if, see if I can get the other hand in here. Yeah, I can. Okay, so I don't even know how long I'm supposed to let this soak. I forgot that part. But I'll let them soak in here for a few minutes, and then I'll pull them out and check them. Actually feels good. All right, you guys, so I've been letting them soak about 2 to 3 minutes because I don't know how long you're supposed to let them go for. So I'm gonna pull them out and just see. I can tell that the oil is, like, you know, making it kind of like slippery to where if it gets under there, it should help them to easily pop off. But let's just test one out. I'm just putting, it's blurry again, the orange stick under the nail, and that one came right off. All right, let's try the next one. So I'm just putting it under and just going around. It's not hurting, it's not hard. You see there go another one flew off. I'm gonna dip a little bit. Oh, the other one fell in here. See that? Okay, so those 2 are off. All right, let's try this. Thumbnail was on here really good. I think this one may need more time, but let's see if I can get it under here. And there we go. Came off. Okay. It worked. Yay. That was quick, easy, painless, and that got them off really good. So now I'm just gonna go scrub my hands with my Bath and Body Works hand scrub, get them all nice and clean so I can get ready to redo them. So yeah, you guys, I just wanted to see if that worked, and it did, at least with the glue on nails, or if you have press on nails, this should work. The warm water and that olive oil really helps. So yeah, y'all, glad I gave that a try. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys do give that a try, make sure you comment below, hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank y'all for watching.